What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Now, getting ready for the one and only break tonight. It is a 5-box high-end break. Nice lineup. All high-end. We got Hit Parade and Chase the Greats. 5-back products, Ultimate Collection, McDavid Year, Black Diamond, and 09-10 Upper Deck Cup with lots of big rookies up for grabs. So we're live. Good luck, folks. It is 10:38, and here's your list. Orv, down to Sean, and Anaheim down to Winnipeg. Good luck. 1, 30, and Minnesota Vegas doubled up just in case we need them during Black Diamond. 2, 3, is the timestamp? Timestamp there. 10:39. 10:39, last and final. Timestamp here is at 10:39 again and 10:39. Washington to Vancouver. Detroit to New Jersey. All right, here's teams. Now it's 10:39, and here's your names. Or Deshaun. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. We're live in like 10 minutes, guys. We'll give you enough time for trades, and then we're getting cracking. 10:39. 10:39. Last and final is going to be 10:40 when we see this one. 10:40. 10:40. We got Jason top spot down to Clay at the halfway mark. And Bradley to Chad. All right, there's teams, folks. We will see you in about 10-15 minutes. We'll tag everybody. No worries. Good luck. Good luck.